Welcome to Durham Farm. It is the middle of January and we are not making much solar power today. I keep a ladder nearby because it has to be cleaned off multiple times. Today we're doing an update on our greenhouse progress. Of course, everything got halted because of the winter weather. But this is where we're at now in the greenhouse. So, I've got two sources of heat going right now. Of course, I just got the heat lamp bulb on low. Plus, I got a pilot light on the little buddy gas propane stove. Now I can turn it up. You can barely make out the pilot light. And I keep it on pilot light, even though I could put it on low or high. Now, I've got the gable ends in temporarily because I still have to make the frame, the strips that goes around the bottom of around the perimeter. I got the panels overhead all in place. The snow is acting like an extra insulation on it now. And then I have the exhaust fan installed, but it don't have the power to it yet. Now it's snowing outside. We're expecting 2 to 4 more inches on top of what we already had. Now, what's left to do inside? Well, let's see. Right now we are, with just a pilot light, we're at 35 degrees. Yeah, 35 degrees. So if I turn it on and have plants in here, I could easily keep this 40 to 50 degrees. We have live plants in here, which I kept from the old greenhouse. And basically we're just seeing if we can keep them going during the winter months. They seem to be holding up pretty well. Even though they look dead, those roots are actually alive and they'll come back out here in a few months. Now, my next step is to insulate these corners and the base underneath the windows. And I'll fill those with insulation. And I'm gonna put glue on board over top that. And over that with luxury vinyl tile. The windows have not been permanently installed yet. I simply set them in place because I need the warm, hot weather to caulk them in properly. So, once I put the glue-on board up on these corners and around the windows, then I will do the luxury vinyl tile will come around the side here, also on the inside here, and across the bottom and back up the other side. The glue on board stops at this height right here. And then we will have a shelf right here, come out 3 feet. And there'll be a second shelf at this level right here for plants to sit on. So you still reach over top and open these latches and raise the window up to that height. So, the next thing to do, I have installed a heater in here, which I'm getting ready to turn on. It's on low, on high, temperature all the way up. I have to change the plug in right here because it's not been wired in yet. In fact, it's not been, it actually, once this is paneling put in and the luxury vinyl tile goes over top of that area there, this thing gets moved up higher. I need to install an outlet right here and it'll come over and over down this post and tie in right here. There'll be a second junction box right there, and we'll go around to this point right here. We'll add another box, and we'll be able to plug in the exhaust fan. The exhaust fan will have, it's on the thermostat control. It'll kick on at 80 degrees and vent the hot air out. We also got to come out of this junction box I'm going to mount right there. It'll come up, and we'll have a light right here in the center. And out of this junction box here, we'll run a switch laid down and the off and on switch for the light for the greenhouse. Now, once we get this fan here wired in correctly, we will also have a second fan up here. This fan will kick on whenever the temperature is below 40 degrees. There'll be another fan sitting right here in the corner that will be that will kick on between 50 and 60 degrees, and it'll circulate the heat throughout the building so that you don't have stratification. Down at the floor level is cold, up high it's going to be very hot. So we want to mix that up with that middle fan, which that's yet to come. So I'll do that wiring here next month. The windows won't be put in permanently until after hot weather gets here again. Now these back windows have yet to be bought, and I'll need 7 more windows, and we will have a shelf at the bottom level there, and 1, 2, 3 more windows here, shelves in the back, and the shelves will be the bracket shelves that are easily adjustable up and down, as well as the length can be varied, and you can adjust those shelves up and down wherever you want to put them, so we can have different heights, different accommodations. And that will be the everything's on hold right now. We're expecting around 0-degree weather Wednesday. Today is Monday, and we're expecting 2 to 4 inches today. In fact, the accumulation's getting on top of 2 or 3 inches we already had. It never really fully melted off from the last storm. But I noticed that the pilot light and lamp by itself is enough to keep it warm in here. The electric lamp is temporary. This will be our main source of heat. But when the power goes off, this will be our backup. And of course, this has to be, I'm gonna set it up on a little shelf, and then put some brick here in the back, fireproof it a little better. And it will be also, it actually runs on a thermostat itself. I'm not sure how that works, because I didn't use the little buddy a whole lot. But that's where we're at in our greenhouse. Now I have a whole room full of plants ready to come out here, but now some of the plants require a lot of shade and some don't. So I'm gonna have here in the corner places to put shady plants underneath this bench, and back here in the other corners out of the way, and try to hide those that don't require a whole lot of full sun. That's your philodendron and your peace lilies, which I got several of those inside ready to come out. But the panels will have to be trimmed in, and then the rest of the windows bought, and that's pretty much the greenhouse. You sit out here now, which I got the recliner chair for myself to read book and take a nap. Now I was out here 2 days ago with the full sun shining, and I had 65 degrees, almost 70. And I had my 3 dogs in here with me, and they were absolutely miserable. The floor's going to have to be re-scrubbed, and of course I got my drain in, so you can water it as much as you want in here, and then the luxury vinyl tile will be the waterproofing on the walls that prevents getting in behind the woodwork. But that's my greenhouse in the middle of January. I think it's the 18th, 19th, it's the 20th day of January, 2025. Have a nice day.